Oh no, they weren't Wario. Poor Wario. And poor Ash has been knocked out. We might have to take an emergency room break.
Come back. Welcome back to Girls Gotta Geek Marvel Week! So today we are going to be opening the Iron Man, 2 of the Avengers Age of Ultron blind bags, and we're going to be doing a creative day. We're going to be doing the Play-doh for Green Goblin and Spider-Man. If you haven't seen the previous video, I am obsessed with Spider-Man, if you all did not know. So, I absolutely love him. So yeah, let's do an open Iron Man.
I can. I still have Thanos' head and arm over here. So now... Oh, you're gonna open Iron Man?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought we were just gonna do the Play-doh.
His leg.
Okay. And if you can't tell, these are not very well rehearsed.
Well, it's not a movie, so.
But we'll be right back, because this is going to take a minute to open.
Alright, so we got him out of the box room, and so here he is. He's got the armor on like he has in the movie.
He's going to apparently do some gymnastics and some splits.
Yes, he can. He's fully articulated, so we'll just go ahead and throw that in as we're thinking about it. And so he can switch out his head into Tony Stark's head,
which is super cool. Like the other ones didn't come with extra body parts.
There was Thor.
There is a Thor in another series.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll have to get that because
I believe you can build Odin.
Oh,
comment below
my gosh.
because I'm not sure.
I want to build freaking Odin. Freaking tenant.
So I went ahead and opened the Play-Doh stuff to make sure that everything was there while she was opening.
This kind of had to put your head on.
Would you like me to help you? Okay, you're tearing the table down. This isn't the most sturdy table.
And so he comes with Thanos' leg. So yes, we have some Thanos pieces. So we just need a few more guys.
I want to say while his head is on here, you cannot bend it too much, or it'll just pop off of there.
You can like move it back and forth,
yeah.
But not like up, I don't think.
Yeah.
Anywho,
here you go.
So here he is. He's really cool. I love him.
I should like Iron Man for a while too.
I still do. Like he's my third favorite superhero.
So while we're talking about that, who is your first favorite superhero?
Spidey.
And who's your second?
I think Iron Man.
Okay. And your third?
Thor. Yeah.
What's your guys' top 3 favorite superheroes?
Is that Psylocke one of your favorites?
Yes, Psylocke is my number 2 favorite.
Who's your favorite?
My most favorite, that is really hard.
Who's your favorite?
I really like Black Widow. Black Widow is probably my number 3 favorite. But my number 1 favorite, it's really hard. There's so many. No, not top favorite villain, because my top favorite villain is Thanos. I don't know. It's so hard.
I guess Loki's my favorite. Yeah.
Probably Catwoman.
Look at his face.
Catwoman is probably my number 1 favorite.
Traitor.
I know.
No.
Non-Marvel. On my Marvel.
Hello, I can assist you to your table now, ladies.
Alright, well let's go ahead and do this Play-Doh challenge.
Oh, no, it's
well, it's not even a challenge. We're going to be making these Play-Doh people because we thought this looked really super cool.
And it was Marvel, so...
And it was Marvel, so we thought that we would do it for Marvel Week. So here is the play set. It's for ages 3+, but they're called Can-Heads. So it comes with Spider-Man and Green Goblin.
Spider-Man's Play-Doh is teal.
Why is that? Why
I
is
don't
it red?
But this is funny because we actually bought teal and green Play-Doh. Yeah. That's a little bit darker green actually, but...
So they have some shapes on the bottom of the Play-Doh canister, so you can make something with that.
And they're actually...
It is to make your Play-Doh into shapes.
What's this?
That is his little flying saucery thing that he flies
Oh,
on.
cool. That's neat. So, I'm going to go ahead and review.
My Play-Doh won't come out.
But,
Oh, there we go.
anyways.
I would like.
It's
I
kinda-
love Play-Doh and putty. Like I want to just squish it and squish it
So,
all day long.
it's kind of hard to get his sword in, but,
I don't believe that's a sword.
well, we've been calling it a sword, I'm sorry. It's actually his webs.
All right, so here is Green Goblin on his base. It's some little purple feet, and he's got a little belt, and then he's got two little things over here, which
Oh,
I'm
that's
assuming
obvious.
are hands.
Yes, they are.
And then here's his little flying saucer base, and then his feet go in here, and it looks like you can make some. So there's some spiders and another sword. And wait a minute, where is his pumpkin? There it is on the bottom. So you can put your Play-Doh in there and have him throw some flaming pumpkins at Spider-Man over here. So I'm going to do that real quickly.
I don't think I have anything to throw. Oh, this is a web on the bottom. No, it's a spider.
Oh, it's a spider.
Cool.
Cool. Cool. Ha, look at that. Awesome. That is so super
I
cool.
hate trying to get the Play-Doh on you something.
I know, because you end up getting it stuck under your fingernails. First world problems, girls with fingernails. You get Play-Doh stuck underneath them. Or
Well, one time I was at the beach.
3 weeks? Wow.
Who did it all? Scrub and all. No,
Oh, look! He can hold the little pumpkin.
that's
Throw it
adorable.
at you, Spider-Man.
So, I'm gonna shove some spider juice in here.
I can just imagine like squished spiders. Like,
It's mold squished spider. I wonder if that's how spiders are. People
so what's the
shove
deal
it
with the
into
swords?
So here's my spider. It's not as good as her pumpkin, but
Let me see. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, let me put one in his hand.
her spider.
Yeah. Oh.
I got the hot sauce on the side.
So thumbs up, guys, for our Play-Doh people.
Yes, I love the Play-Doh people.
Yeah, these are really cool. So I'm making him a sword to put in his other hand.
So,
Oh! Oh no! Oh no!
you must fight back.
Green Goblin. I think I've been calling him Green Lantern. Have I been calling him Green Lantern
I
this
don't
whole
know.
time? I hope
I
not.
haven't noticed.
Oh my gosh. I hope not. I'm just gonna say no. But if I am, sorry guys. Alright, so he's got this super cool sword. And he's gonna get on his little flying base. Here he goes. He's coming to get you, Spider-Man. Be prepared. Oh! And oh, he still has a splat on his face. I couldn't see there for a minute. I'm gonna throw this pumpkin bomb at you. Rod, here I'm gonna get this sword after you. Oh Lord. That poor pumpkin bomb has been squished.
That's because I am Spider-Man.
You are Spider-Man.
So, back to business. Step, step, step.
Oh. Oh.
Everybody's dying.
I think I've been defeated. My ship is falling. Oh, that's the end of that.
Yes, the heroes shall always win. The heroes always win. Alright,
So what do you rate this?
I rate out of 10.
9. I think I'm gonna be 8. I really like this.
Breaking news. We interrupt this for
All right. Venom was originally a girl.
Now, Peter, what now? Spider-Man was accidentally called Peter Palmer in the first two times in the very first comic.
Well, the what? Hugh Jackman didn't know Wolverines were real animals until he started to film the movie.
And Deadpool is a fangirl. Deadpool is not only a fan of iCarly, but actually worries about the safety of his stars. So that was today's fun facts. Now you may continue to your video. Well, I'm excited.
Okay, so we're gonna open up our blind boxes. Who is it? 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 Who is it?
That's my ear.
Who is it? It's Iron Man. It's Iron Man with his hand down his nose.
Wow. So he's gonna sit right here on. Oh, I'm gonna sit. Okay. Hulkbuster!
Awesome! Yes!
Yeah. Alright, so we're back and we are going to pull something out of the bag of mystery. So, I'll go first this time, okay? What should I get? What should I get? What should I get? What should I get? I think I'll get this out. So, I pulled out Doctor Doom.
Doctor Whom?
Doctor Doom. Doctor Doom Masher. So,
Awesome! So if you watched our previous one, we opened Ghost Rider. And I got... I was really trying for the Doki Doki. But this is awesome too. It is the Avengers Assemble Micro Mugs. And the last one we got was Captain America, which is super.
Oh, yes, it was.
Yeah, he's up here.
Alright, so I'll go ahead and open my first. Is that okay?
Yes. And while you're doing that, I'm going to open up my micro mugs. I'm still so super excited about the Hulkbuster. Oh, wait a moment. His paint is kind of weird.
That's
on his hand. He looks like he's been in battle with the Hulk. Oh, I was hoping that his arms and stuff moved. That's okay.
Yeah.
Like, he's super cool. And, like, his head kind of bobbles. He's got a little bubble to his head. I am so super excited about these, and I really like, ooh, I almost lost him, this Iron Man. While I'm trying to open this micro mug stuff. Oh, cool, I got the Hulk.
Oh, yay!
Yay!
Well,
there seems to be a lot of Hulks in our Marvel.
That's super cool! Hulk is cool.
He is cool. And then there's like a little Marvel logo on his backside, on his head. He's so angry. He's like, "Ugh." Super cool. I'm gonna put him up here with those guys.
Alright, so we have gotten him open after the disastrous stuff happened.
Yeah, that took a little while.
So here he is. And I was thinking to myself, let's go ahead and take the Ghost Rider and try to match him up.
Try to mash him up?
Yeah, try to mash him up a little bit. So, let's base it off of Ghost Rider. Maybe like take his head off. Okay.
You want to switch them? Switch their heads out?
And I'll switch out his arm.
Oh, Ghost Rider's head does not fit his body very well. Like, Dr. Doom's head is like way bigger than Ghost Rider's head. Oh, and so I have an arm over here.
You want a leg? A leg. Yeah.
I'm just gonna take his cape off for now. I'm guessing once you start working with these pieces a little more, they'll get a little easier.
Does it remind me of bigger versions of Legos?
Mm-hmm. Oh, did Dr. Doom not come with like an accessory? That's okay.
Still your cake.
Well, I mean, he came with a cape. Cool. Well, this is super awesome.
Yeah.
Like, I really like these, and they were only $5 at Big Lots. That was a
I
good
believe
deal.
they are $10 at.
For $10, $9.99 everywhere else that we've seen. So
That's-
if you guys have a Big Lots close to
So
you,
here he is, and here Ghost Rider is. So they look really cool.
they do.
That looks like he's wearing.
Now who's the bad guy and who's the good guy? Like how's
This is
this
the
gonna
bad
work?
guy.
Because he's got the bad guy head.
Yeah. So he's got the bad guy.
The
brain.
bad guy brain.
So here have this thing. You good for you.
Oh. Ah!
Win. for once in this episode. Spider-Man just completely demolished Green Goblin. Alright, so these are very cute. I love them. So I guess that will pretty much wrap up our Marvel week on Girls Gotta Geek for our third day. And
Episode 3,
yes,
guys. So it's almost over.
yes,
It's so
but
sad.
that is absolutely okay because maybe we'll have something else come up that we do a week for. I'm not sure. But anyways, thank you guys so much for walking. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Follow us on Instagram.